Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brian Barnagati. I'm going to finish up this puzzle. I don't like to leave it unfinished. So let's see what we can do in this episode. Oh, that works. That does not work, unfortunately. But that might, or not. Won't work. Nope. Okay. Well, what can I say? Well, at least we tried, you know? At least we bloody tried. Ooh. Maybe. That works there. I just wish I knew what's going on with this thing. Why can't I get... Okay, that works. Okay. That works. Okay, it's better than nothing. Oh, that works there. Oh, that works there. And this happens to so be it work there. I don't like doing it like this, but I don't necessarily frown upon it. So let's go to there. There. Stupidly go there. That goes there. And you go there. And you go there. Sweet. Okay. You can go over here, I think. Nope. Maybe you go over... Yep, you do. You went over there. That's good, I guess. And then you can go over here. And you can possibly go... But nope, you can't go anywhere. You have no place to go. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, you do. Right there. Cool. And then there's there. And then there's there. Oh, can't forget here. Oh, but we can't forget about you. Maybe we can. Ah, there's you. Ah, there's you. You. Oh, and then there's you. And then we're done. Oh, jeez. I don't like that game. If I think I know what it is. Nope. Ain't no bloody way in hell. Oh, My Restaurant Cooking Game. It's kind of reminiscent of Cooking Madness. There's no way in hell. Okay. Now that we done did that, we can do this, and that should be the end of that puzzle. As soon as it will, I can go on. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Alright, I'll see y'all next time. Until then, later.